Prep test 74, section 3, number 21. Which one of the following arguments is most analogous to the argument advanced in passage A? So what's the argument in passage A? Well, it talks about how neuroscience is showing that you can believe yourself to be making a free and rational moral choice, but actually your brain is just in control of you and the emotional centers of the brain, I mean. And therefore, if you're not actually in charge of making a moral decision, then maybe it's stupid to punish people on moralistic grounds, and that instead we should focus on deterrence. Is this going to, punishing someone, is it going to stop a future crime or not? So that's the argument. So I want an analogous argument. Basically, new shit has come to light, and because of this new shit, maybe we should change the way we do things. That's what I'm looking for. A. Many word processors are packed with non-essential features that only confuse most users and get in the way of important functions. Word processors with fewer features thus enhance productivity. It's not about paring down. Passage A is not about simplifying. It's about, hey, the goal that we have stated is maybe not being served by our current policy, so maybe we should switch course. That's not what A is like. B. Economic models generally presume that actors in an economy are entirely rational, but psychological studies have documented many ways in which people make irrational choices. Thus, economic models in theory should not be able to predict human behavior. You know, that's not about like, let's change course. I don't like it. C, the existing program for teaching mathematics in elementary schools is based on mistaken notions about what sorts of mathematical concepts children can grasp, and it should therefore be replaced. I like that one best so far. It's like, hey, we have this system of teaching kids math, but we were mistaken about what they can actually understand. New shit has come to light, so we better switch course. I'm liking C better than any of the answers previously. D, civil disobedience is justified only in those cases in which civil law conflicts with one's sincere, moral, or religious convictions. Any attempt to justify civil disobedience on something other than that is illegitimate. What? It's just not a match. I don't know. E, being autonomous does not imply having full control over one's behavior. After all, addicted smokers are unable to exercise control over some behaviors, but are nevertheless autonomous in the general sense. There's no should in there. There's no we should change our plan. There's no argument in E, really. In fact, yeah, there is no really argument in E. I further hate E because it's about like a similar topic. The idea of being autonomous or not, free will or not, that's matching topic, but that is not an analogous argument. C is an analogous argument, so the answer for number 21 is C.